welcome to my channel. This is my new channel, guys. Yung isa kong channel is Ate Princess Nyong Gala. So, ito yung ating bago ngayon. Princess Sofia TV 2. So, pangalawang account natin to. So, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel na bago, please subscribe my channel and please hit the bell button for updates. At ito po yung ating trabaho, guys. As nanny or caregiver man ang tatawag dyan. Ito yung aking ginagawa. Ito po yung aking laga na may sakit. Ayan, si Zuz. Papakain po ako ngayon. So, marunong na siyang kumain mag-isa niya. Kasi lang madami. Say hi. 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 Sure, hi. Hi. My name is Abdulaziz. I am 3 years old. 3 years old. Haba Shafa. Mga Haba Shafa. You want fork? Magaling to siya, guys. Naturuan ko to ng English. Marunong na siya mag-count ng 1 to 10. Arabic man yan o English. That one car. Yes. What is the color of this car? What is this color? Red. Very good. And what is this color? Green. The green. And what color is this? Blue. Very good. Again, what is this color? Color? Blue. Blue. And what is this? What is this? Bus. Very good. Okay, where is our card? And what is this? This one, what is this, Adibi? Water. Very good. And then, what is this? Bus. Color? What is the color of this? Blue. Say blue. And white. And white. Yeah. Yala, let's count 1 to 10. 1. I want octopus. I will search for octopus, okay? Only 1, 2. Yan, marunong na siya sa... Meron kaming placards dito. So, tinuturuan ko na siya. Papakita ko sa kanya yung